Got YouTube. I hope it's not too windy for this, but I thought as I had the camera with me, may as well make a vid. As you can see, I'm in a hide. Been here since about 8 o'clock this morning, shooting. Hang on. We got something in decoys, lads. Hang on, hang on. Would you believe it? Shot to shit and the bastard wouldn't die. Yeah, but anyway. Hold it reasonably straight, shall we? I'm decoying some crows and for a farmer even. And some plantings. Take a look. Apparently they're eating him out of house and home. So got the call last night, and yeah, I've got about 30 or 40 down picked, and probably as many as again not picked, because I ain't got a dog with me and I'm not walking bloody miles, to be fair, to pick crows. Yeah, what's going on? Using me Browning 325 with adjustable comb. Decoys are the flock type crow decoys that you get now. I laid them out, I'll show you. Initially they're in the horseshoe shape layout, but then I changed that. Took some of the crows out and put them there and there just to draw them in on the edges, and put some of the pigeons, I don't know if you can see that, out when they came in. And yeah, anyway, looks like I've got to go, so cheers and peace out.